Okay, so check it out. You get to join me in this wonderful tour of my monster computer. So I'm actually really excited about this one. This is the first time I've actually truly done everything and the kitchen sink for this particular build. So this is a standalone Plex server build. And another computer too, because why have one when you can have two, right? So, take a look inside. So I'll start with kind of the overview, and then we'll get a little closer. So at the what is the word? The high altitude view, we have basic specs are primary system, i7-12700K, 32 gigs, no, 64 gigs, 32, that's pleb stuff. 64 gigs of RAM, GTX 1080 Ti, and I've got a Asrock C690 Steel Legend motherboard. And then we have the business end right here. 100 and I'm just going to say 120, but it's just a little under. It's like 117, I think. And then we have a secondary, just a low-end, older i7-6700, GTX 950, super duper clocked. And I also have 16 gigs RAM in that. And then we've got this is a custom added power supply. The case is not set up for two power supplies. You are supposed to do this off of one power supply with a splitter thing, but I said, screw that. I don't have that. I looked for it, okay? I tried to find it. I couldn't find it to buy anywhere, at least not for like, it was like $400 or something, the places I found it. So I was like, no, I'm not spending $400 on a power supply. That was like, it was like, I don't even know if it's 1,000 watts. It was like an 850 or 1,000 or something. I was like, I'm not spending that much money on that. I'm going to just custom rig a power supply. So as you can see, this is decent quality. I did a good job. It sits there just fine. It does get in the way of more hard drives, so eventually the setup may have to be changed just a little. We've got a liquid cooler in the top. So this is built in... It is primarily a storage server, but I built it in my gaming PC style. Why? Because I can. I had the parts on hand. I had a liquid coolers on hand. I had DDR4, tons of it on hand. I had these ITX board chip and RAM combos on hand. It was all on hand. So I said, you know what? I'm just going to use what I've already got. There is no reason to go buy new stuff. So let's flip the camera around here just a little. Kind of give you a little bit of an overview there. So, yeah, so it's just a really awesome and multi-use system. I don't know what this is for yet. This is a everything in the kitchen sink because I can setup. So I will find a use for this. Maybe it'll get that Linux everyone is bitching at me to use. Maybe it'll be a download server. I don't know yet. I'll use it for something. It was easier. I wasn't sure I wanted it or not. It was easier to put it in when I did the initial build. So I decided, you know, I'll put it in now. If I end up not needing it, I'll take it out. But it was easier to do the build as one. And once I got going on this project, I was like, you know what? I'm finishing the project. I did the whole project in one go. So I was up till like 2 this morning doing it. So it was a lot of fun. Anyway, just a quick look at the completed system. The initial video got a few more views than I really expected for that kind of video. So I thought you guys might like to see the I thought you might want to tune in. I can't do it right. What day is today? Today is Saturday. I thought you might want to tune in for the exciting conclusion. Only Saturday on Chris TV Network. Okay, I suck so bad. Look, I'm trying to be more exciting, okay? I'm trying to make this more fun. I don't think you guys want to watch me just drone on all day about this stuff. So I'm trying to make it fun, make it something that you guys actually want to watch. Because you subscribed, so you want to watch, right? So anyway, I hope you guys find this interesting, and thanks for watching.